Good morning everyone and welcome back on your mat for 15 minutes of morning yoga flow. When you're ready, just come to the end of your mat and set yourself up into a kneeling position. If you have any pain in your knees, you can try to place a folded blanket behind your knee joint to help support the knee. If it's not okay for you, just sit in a cross-leg position or any position that you're comfortable with, maybe even at the end of a chair. So when you're ready, we'll just start by breathing in and out through the nose, and we start to release the upper body here. Placing your hands onto your lap, and then we'll just start breathing evenly with some shoulder roll, shoulders forward, up and back. And just keep moving nice and slow to warm up and release around the shoulder joints. Beautiful. And then you can start to take some neck stretches side to side, just very gently, not forcing as always. And then some full neck roll from chin to chest, rolling to the side of the shoulder, dropping the head back and back to the front. And then you can reverse the circle the other way around. Again, nice and slow, making sure not to force in any way here. Wonderful. Come and interlace your fingers in front of you, and as you exhale, press the palms forward, rounding the upper back, bringing your chin to your chest. And then breathing and extending the arms overhead. And then slowly leaning over to your right, grabbing your left wrist, feeling the side stretch. As you inhale, come back up and exhale, folding to the other side. Breathing in, come back straight. And then interlacing fingers behind your back, breathe out. Drag the hands toward the back of the hips, opening the heart space. Wonderful. Just come and place yourself into an all-four position, really spreading the fingers nice and wide with your index fingers forward. Breathing into a cat position and out, sitting down onto your heels with your toes bent. Inhale, come back to your all-four cow position. Exhale, rounding and sitting onto your heels. Again, inhale, leaning forward, creating a curve into your lower back, looking up. Exhale as you tuck the tailbone under and come to sit onto your heels. From this kneeling position, again, walk your hands and come onto the ground, trying to keep the elbows against the body to a 45-degree angle. On your inhalation, lift the chest, keeping the head really long, lifting the right leg up, squeezing through the glute, and then the left leg up, keeping the legs as straight as possible, as active as possible. Breathing out, come and sit back onto your heels, this time on the top of your feet to really stretch the front of your ankles. Inhale as you round the spine, come back forward again onto your belly, lift the chest into a cobra pose, and then exhale, extend your legs out as well. Then extend the arms forward, palms facing up to the ceiling. Breathing in, feeling the energy to the back body, and out, bringing the arms alongside the body, palms facing up. Wonderful. Try to feel a squeeze in between the shoulder blade. Then release your hands again alongside the rib cage. Maybe come up to an up dog position if it's okay for you, not forcing as always. Eventually make your way back into your first downward dog, walking this first dog. Bending the toes, the knees, wiggling through the hips, really moving in any way that feels right. If you're comfortable in here, with your right hand, just come and grab the outside of your left shin. Breathing here for a few breaths, really pushing into this left shoulder. If you need into this side, just switch to the other side. Left hand grabbing outside the right ankle or calf. Keeping the back of the head really long, gazing toward the knees. Beautiful. Beautiful, full deep breath, and then come back into your full downward dog. Very slowly start to walk your way to the front of the mat, placing both feet together in front, big toes touching. And then coming to a halfway lift as you lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, compress towards your legs. Bend your knees and wrap the arms around the back of the legs. Just hanging a little bit into this forward fold, bending the knees as much as you need. Wonderful. Then releasing your hands to the floor, coming to a twist. Come and bend your left knee, pressing the left hand down. As you exhale, open the right hand up, really creating space from one hand to the other, pushing the floor away. Every time you breathe in, try to rotate the rib cage up. Release the right hand down, breathing in, and as you breathe out, extend the left hand up, looking to this top hand. Full inhale and full exhale. Wonderful, guys. Releasing down slowly and rolling yourself up to standing. Opening through the chest. Inhale, extend the arms overhead. And as you exhale, folding forward. Inhale to your halfway lift as you look up. And exhale, come and step your right leg back. Come to your high lunge and to your low lunge, dropping the back knee down. Place the top foot down. Inhale, extend overhead and pull the elbows back, squeezing in between the shoulder blades. Inhale as you open up. Exhale as you pull down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale up. Exhale, release both hands down, keeping the right hand to the floor. Find a twist, placing your left hand onto your knee, extending the back leg this time, if possible, of course. Placing both hands down, press back to your downward dog. On your inhalation, come into a high plank position. Exhale as you lower yourself down. Inhale to your cobra pose, lifting up, maybe upward dog if it's here. And exhale back to your downward dog. Walking the feet back to the front of the mat again, bringing the big toes touching to your halfway lift, and exhale, folding forward. Inhale all the way up, arms overhead, looking up, maybe a slight back bend. Exhale, straight away back down. Inhale to your flat back as you look up, and exhale, stepping your left foot back this time. Drop the knee, coming to your low lunge, sink your hips down. As you keep your hips down, inhale, extend the arms up. Exhale, pull the elbows back. Inhale, extend. Exhale, pull. Inhale one last time. Exhale, pull. Arms overhead, breathing in. Exhale, release your left hand down. Come to your high lunge and find your twist as you press your right hand on the inside of your knee, just looking over to the shoulder, finding this deep opening of the chest. Exhaling back, downward dog. Few deep breaths in here. And with your next inhale, lean high on your toes and to your high plank position. Exhale, lowering chaturanga. Inhale, lifting the chest, looking up. And an exhale, coming back to your downward dog. Beautiful, readjust yourself and eventually drop your knees down to the floor. Now come into your all four and straighten your right leg out, really active. Wonderful. Bring your left hand to your ear. Take an inhale, extend the left hand up, looking up, and exhale, slide the hand underneath, release your left ear down. Just a gentle twist, keeping the back leg very active. With your next inhalation, make your way back up. And then releasing both hands down. Just holding here one more breath. Then extend your left arm out and lift the right leg up. Breathing in, holding, and as you breathe out, pulling knee and elbows against each other. Breathing in again, extend, And release down to switch to the other side. Left leg extend, nice and active. Inhale, extend the right hand up. And exhale to your twist, releasing the right ear down to the ground. Breathing in and out through the nose. Wonderful, guys. With your next inhalation, come back, placing both hands down. And just like before, extend the right arm out. Extend the left leg up. And as you breathe out, pull the knee and elbows toward each other. Inhale, extend again. Exhale, release fully down on the floor. Curving into your spine as you look up. Exhale as you round like a cat. Beautiful. Again, inhale, drop the belly, the chest, look up. Exhale, fully rounding into your cat. Inhale, curving, looking up. Exhale, fully rounding, pull the lower belly in. And then just slowly walking into your melting heart, keeping the hips over knees, walking the hands, keeping the arms extended, releasing the chest, maybe the head onto the ground. Deep openings through the shoulders. Try to keep pressing the hands and try to draw the lower ribs in and up towards your spine to create more opening through the shoulder girdle. Wonderful. With your next breath, just slowly make your way back up into your all four and pressing to your extended child pose. Big toes touching and the knees wide open. Wonderful. Very slowly start to make your way back up. And then we'll come to a little camel pose, Ustrasana. So you can stay on top of the feet or you can bend the toes if you want. First option, press your hands into your lower back and ASA joint. Drag the elbows toward each other to really open through the chest. And then push your hips forward, lift the heart space up and drop back. If you wanted to go further like me, feel free to press your hands onto your heels. And then again, squeeze your glute, push your hips forward, lift the heart up, so the sternum up to the ceiling. Coming back on your inhalation, push the hips first, and then allow the chest and head to follow. Then sit down onto your child pose, allowing the whole back body to lengthen and relax. Arms by your side, relax into the belly, allow the breath and the compression to release and relax into the abdomen, letting go of any chronic stress. Beautiful, guys. Just one last posture to finish up. Come and place both knees onto one side. We'll come to a side bend. So grabbing your left ankle or placing your hand to the ground, breathing in, extend the right arm up, looking up, creating a length from the right hip to the whole side of the body. On your next inhalation, come back up, switching your legs to the other side. Hands down or grabbing your ankle. Inhale as you extend this left arm up, looking up. Breathing in to create more space into the rib cage, allowing the lungs to expand more. Next inhalation, come back up and come and place your hands, yourself onto your knees. Wonderful. We'll take a deep breath in as you extend the arms overhead, palms to touch. Exhale to drag your hands back alongside the rib cage. Again, inhale, extend, arms overhead. Exhale, release the arms by your side. Inhale, extend, looking up. On your next exhale, bring your hands to heart center. Close your eyes, release the chin to your chest, and just have a little moment of gratitude, just thanking yourself to have taken this time for yourself. Just a little moment of peace and quiet into this busy life. Wonderful, guys. I will leave you here, wishing you a wonderful day, and I hope you've enjoyed this practice. And as always, just be grateful to have had this time to yourself. Be grateful to be here. I wish you again a wonderful day, and I will see you next time on the mats. Namaste. If you have enjoyed this video, I would love it if you would like, comment and share this video with a friend, as well as subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for your support. Bye bye.